I am back with another style. I haven't did a hair tutorial in a while, and this is what I came up with. Although I'm happy with how it came out, it was not supposed to be like this, y'all. This was a long behind type of thing. You can tell I am super tired because this is a braidless crochet, and I have another braidless crochet video which I will link down below, and I got it from the same company. I'm going to show you the same company. I got it from the same company. It was the same pre-loop, except for it had like the bands at the end, and then you would pull so it would stay secured. So I did not realize that it was not that until I actually started doing, like, I pulled it out the packet and I was like, where's the bands? So these have a huge slip ability. So the hair is great, but I would highly recommend that you do it probably on cornrows. It may not work with the braidless crochet, even though you're looking at my head right now and I have braidless crochet. It's just because I had already started and I wasn't gonna do it over. But anyway, let's go ahead and get right into the video, shall we? Don't forget to subscribe.
Dedication, reservation, take a look inside your salvation. Do every good work, it takes patience, like a butterfly, transformation.
All right, so the first thing I did was put my hair in two loose ponytails and pin them in the back. I have another video on braidless crochet where I do the same thing, so I'm not gonna go into detail about that. So since these are some pre-looped, wait, these don't look like pre-looped. What's happening right now? Okay, so these are pre-loops, but not in the way that I thought they were. I'm just now looking at them. The other pre-looped ones I had a rubber band on them. So I'm not feeling this, y'all. To me, this takes too long. Like, these are pre-looped like this. The other ones that I had were pre-looped and had a rubber band so that they lock in place. So this might actually take like a really long behind time. I'm really kind of feeling some type of way. Why would I know? All right. So I'm gonna spread these out because I learned the last time that when you do this is a lot of hair and it doesn't require that, you know, you put them in very like close together. So I'm going to spread these very, like, one way over here. I'm gonna spread them very, very, very far apart. And then as we get to the top of the head, all right, so this is one pack of hair, and honestly, I'm a little agitated. I don't think this is gonna last very long. I'm still under the impression, or I'm still upset that this was not the hair with the rubber bands because the pre-loop hair is so wide, like it comes loose very fast, and so I could just see these falling out. So I'm just mad that this was the same brand, y'all, the same brand, and the pre-loop hair came with the rubber band, but it was a different textured hair. So I am so confused as to why it was the same package, the same brand, and it said pre-loop, but there is no rubber band. I'm still going to rant about this, probably until the end of this video. Okay, so if you notice, this is fairly spread out. I wanted it like that so that it was not super, you know, big. And so most of the bulk of our hair is gonna go in the front because this is where you wanna cover everything up and not the back. So it's going to get pretty thick. And so like I said, some of this has been falling out. I'm really like, mad about this. So we're just gonna kind of do a straight line before doing the parts. We're gonna do the parts last. So just make sure that you start from like the sides. All right, I know y'all are like, Sophia, what is going on with your edges? But I'm gonna slick this down just because this doesn't fit in a ponytail. My edges are short. But I'm going to put this around the part, and then I'm gonna do this side. And then I'm gonna fill in this at the end just because this is looking a little skimp in the back after I fill in all this other type of stuff. So when it comes to this, and then I'm gonna do this side, and then I'm going to be back. I am hair for Braidless Crochet. This is these are 3 packs in my hair right now, and y'all look at it. But it is all good because I'm gonna try to do something with it because I spent all this time. They keep falling out. So I don't even know how long this is gonna last. That's why they're uneven, because I'm just over it. So at this point, I'm just gonna try to style it. Well, I am gonna style it, not try. And just go about my day. So I'm deciding to flip it over because, and this is some, I don't have gray hair, y'all. This is some edge stuff. It dried white for whatever reason. I will fix it. I'm just gonna flip it over because this side kept falling out, and this side was the only one that would stay with the pre-looped hair. So I'm just gonna have to make it so that this is covered and do something with it. So just bear with me. So this is the overall product, y'all. I am beyond tired. It came out aight. I mean, it came out cute. I'm happy with it, but is this still gonna be in my head tomorrow by the time I go to sleep? I don't know, because like I said, they're kind of slipping. They're not kind of, they're all the way slipping, all the way. But overall, I do like the quality of the hair. It's very pretty. The hair is not thick at all. Like I said, I did go ahead and just put a little bit more hair. So this is like 3 packs of hair and then a little bit from the fourth pack, and you can see how much, not much hair this is. Like, this is not a lot of hair at all. And so to me, it's kind of thin, but the hair does feel really good. And granted that this was made to go on cornrows, so you might not have the issue if you were to actually do the crochet correctly, unlike myself trying to do it the easy way. But it does have a big slip. And to me, really the issue is the pre-loops, in the sense that the pre-loops are only good if they were to put the bands at the end, like I keep saying over and over again, to secure it around, because it's so big that I imagine that it may actually slip from around the cornrows as well, because it's just not enough to, let me show you, like this. You see how big it is? And so to me, it's just not enough to, like, it might not stay around anything. Like, it's just so big. And so yeah, I'm done talking, ready to go to bed. All right, don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, comment, follow, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys another day, another time. Bye, y'all.